Hello everybody, and welcome back to our channel. We're going up on the mountain tonight to do two things. We want to grab our cameras before the big snow tomorrow. We're supposed to get 18 inches of snow. If that happens, our time in the woods with the four-wheelers is over. And we got two maple logs that we took down in the fall, and we're thinking that they were spalted, so we're going to look at those logs real quick and maybe try to get them out tomorrow night before the snow gets too deep. Alright, Tim's grabbing his cameras off the tree, and then we'll get ready to go here in a minute. Right now we're dealing with about 8 inches of snow, which is no problem for the four-wheelers. Oh, we got lots of deer tracks up here, guys. There's deer tracks everywhere. All through the swamp. Food plots right there. Lots and lots of deer tracks. We got a little rain before this snow fell. It's slicker than snot underneath the snow. Going up and down these little tiny hills, you gotta be careful. Feet come out from under you quickly. Deer tracks everywhere still. Oh, he's got one up here. Alright, we're getting higher up on our property. We're about halfway up now. And I speculate we're going to see a lot less deer tracks as we get up here on the hill. The deer will be moving down to the swamp for the big storm. And it'll also give them browse. They'll browse on the hemlock trees and the small trees down there in the swamp. The small limbs and buds and stuff like that. Also working these trails before the snow. If we don't get a real lot of snow, working these trails may help out to keep them packed down so we can get up here. We got one lone deer track up here. See what they've been digging around here for something that's in these leaves. Could be acorns, could be beech nuts. Well, it's hard to say. Have a tree across the trail. It's high winds that we've experienced. We'll get over it. Here's some more deer tracks. So they are still moving a little bit up here in the high country. Get up to our upper stands here in just a minute. We'll see how much activity we have up there. Okay, we got about another 1,000 feet to go before we get to the top. Drop something in the snow. Still got some deer tracks. Not a lot. Looks like they're all heading downhill. Alright, Tim's going to break this trail. It's pretty steep. That one goes up to the top. Looks like he's going to make it. He's having troubles. And he's almost there. There's it. Alright, so I'm going to break this trail. He broke that one. We'll meet up there by his tree stand. Oh yeah, we still got some deer tracks here. These look pretty fresh. Another tree down across the trail. Well, it appears we got a big tree across the trail, two of them. I don't think we're going to go that way. Gonna have to go around them a different direction. Probably go down and come back up on the other trail. Well, there is one massive tree down across the trail right here. Fortunately, Tim's upper stand is unscathed. Yeah, that tree right there is all the way across the trail. Let's hope there's no more. And we're at the upper part. We still got some deer tracks here. That's a good thing. All right, so that one stand that one tree just missed Tim's stand. We're lucky on that one. He's pulling cameras. Got another camera right here. My stand is right there, dead ahead, and that looks like it's in good shape. Alright, my stand's looking good. And we'll pull my camera. See, deer's been eating right there. The little food plot we put in is over here. Now that windy day that we were sitting in the tree stand, we heard a big tree come down. The one by Tim's stand was not that tree. We still got one big tree down somewhere around here. Alright, so we're going to head over to where those maples are now. Take a look at those and see what it's going to take to get them out of here. I'm pretty sure they're spalted, and we still have to have some spalted wood. Still got a customer calling for some spalted. Boy, look at the deer tracks here. This is right by our hinge cut. Deer have been working around this pretty heavy. We are right up in the hinge cut now, and we're going to look and see if we can find these maples. Right, there's the two maples. If you look at the end of that maple right there, that is spalted. So those are going to be spalted. We got that one. I don't think there was a third one. I think there's a crotch in it. We're going to have to cut a couple trees to get up in here with the log arches, but I think it's going to be no problem.
Doable?
Yeah, we guys got to bring a saw, get some of these small trees out of the way.
Oh, we got those big trees we got to clear up there too still.
Well, we can do that later. All right, go grab your cameras by your food plot. I'm gonna run down and grab mine by mine, and we'll meet down there somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna run down. Hey, I'm gonna run down the boundary line trail to my food plot down there. I'll meet you down there by my food plot.
All right.
Careful going down that hill. That's a pretty steep hill right there. Oh, he's sliding pretty good. Tomorrow night we'll be going down this with log arches. All right, guys, we're gonna run down another trail and break it real quick. We call it the boundary line trail. It runs right down the boundary line on the west side of our property. All right, guys, we'll be heading down the boundary line trail. God, that hurt. Limb snapped me right in the face. This is a pretty steep drop. Gonna have to be a little careful here. Oh, the deer tracks are all over the place. It's funny how those deer use the runways and the trails that we make with the four-wheelers. It's like they love the path of least resistance. Alright guys, this trail is going to get real steep here. I'm going to have to be careful, so I'm not going to be able to film it. Alright guys, we made it to the bottom. Be over to my tree stand here in just a minute. Yeehaw.
Here, my food plot.
Did you? All right. There's my tree stand. It's looking good. Let's go grab my camera and get out of here. Go check the cameras too, by the way, to see if we got any, how many bucks we had left. Boy, deer have been in this food plot too. This is my food plot right here. The deer have got it tore all up. They're still digging around in here. Must be something green down there. They wouldn't be in here. They tearing up your food plot still?
Oh, good Lord. Yeah, I just jumped 2 deer when I went up there to go get the camera.
They're eating?
Yeah, they went back towards the swamp.
Filling up before the storm.
They got scratched right down to the ground again.
They're eating everything they can before the storm. I still got green. Look at this.
I know.
That's still green underneath all this snow.
They got mine so tore up that, you know how it was like the green patch before?
Yeah.
It's like that again.
All right, guys. We broke all the trails, got all the cameras out. Still a lot of deer tracks. We're right behind the house now, and you gotta see all the tracks. Swamp is right there. We just crossed the bridge. Look at this. Right behind the house. All right, guys. Thanks for joining us. Tomorrow night before the storm, or early in on the storm, we're going to try to get those maple logs out, get them up here to the mill. They're definitely spalted, and we do need them. All right, guys, thanks for joining us on this little trip. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one.